How to delete all liked songs on Spotify at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your liked songs on Spotify at once go. Now the process itself is simple. Let me guide it through quick and easy. You want to simply open up your Spotify application, and here you'll get an interface like this, right? Now here at the bottom of your screen you can see various options that says home, search, your library and premium option. You want to select the option your library in order to view your liked songs list, right? So simply tap on your library option. Under your library you can see liked songs. Now under it I only have one song here. Simply tap on liked songs option and you'll be able to see your liked songs here with the heart icon there. Now unfortunately on Spotify you don't get the option to delete all your liked songs at once. All you have to do is you'll have to tap on the heart icon along with the song that you see, and then it'll ask you to remove, and you'll have to do this one by one to all of the songs that you have liked, to remove all of them. There is no any option to delete it all at once, so this way you can delete all liked songs on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.